One.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to create a YouTube channel for 2019. And today we're just going to be focusing on the channel art, giving you exactly how you can set up your channel art without having to be a graphic designer or Photoshop queen or any of those type fancy things. All you need is YouTube and Canva, your picture or your logo, and your brand colors. And that's it. Let's get started right now. So what you want to do is go ahead and hit the pencil over on your channel art, and you're going to hit edit channel art, and you're going to pretty much download the template that they give you by clicking onto how to create channel art, and a new window will open up like this. And you're pretty much going to scroll down till you see images inside and hit the drop down button and click channel art templates, and it will download to your computer, and it will download as a zip file. You will save it and unzip it and keep it moving. I already have it on my laptop, so it's right here. And once it open up, you need the numbers that's on this here template so that you make sure that everything is in center in the right place and everything is showing up for your channel art. So the number that you want to remember is in the top left corner that says TV 2560 by 1440. Those are the numbers that you need to remember, 2560 by 1440. And you're going to head on over to Canva. And Canva is completely free. All you need is your Google account to sign up, and boom, you're in there. And you're going to hit on custom dimensions, and you're going to type in 2560 by 1440, and you're going to hit create new design, and a window will open just like that, just that simple. Let me know if you're following along by going ahead and hitting the like button down below. Let me know that you're still, getting some value thus far. Because pretty much too many people don't know so much about Canva. And Canva is like, babe, get a lot of things done with that. So what you want to do is upload your image, and you're going to hit upload image, and you're going to upload the channel template, your picture that you want to use, or your logo, and all that good stuff. And you're in there. So once that happens, you're going to just pretty much click the image, and you're going to drop it over here, over to the blank canvas that you have, and it would just pretty much fill in. And you just release it, and then there you have it. And you can just drag it out to each corners to fill it in. And there you have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my picture that I have for the channel that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to reduce the size so that you can still see me, but it's also not taking up too much of the space that I need. I'm going to kind of hang it over to the left a little bit. I don't care if it kind of hangs off, if my face is kind of chopped off, because I really want you to focus on the name of my channel, what my channel is all about, and when I'm going to upload. So those are the three top things that you need to include in your channel. So what you want to do is just go over to text, hit add a text, and whichever font is for your business, you want to go ahead and just, click it, or get something that's close to it through Canva, because Canva has their own font that are for free on there. But if you have your own personal font, you have to pay for the for Canva to upload your own personal font and your own personal brand colors. But you can always take your brand colors and get the code and upload it onto Canva. So pretty much just select the color. I'm just going to take white here, and I'm just going to type in Detox with Amber. That's the name of my channel. And I'm going to take another text and same font all the way around. And I'm going to make that a size 50 so it can be seen but not overpowering my channel name and not taking up too much of the space, because the space that you want to work on for mobile and desktop is this black area here. Everything outside of that is for bigger platforms, but most people are using either their phones, and if not, they're on their laptops. But so we can make sure that we're in the right placements, we're just going to stretch it out, and we're just going to type exactly what this channel is about. And I'm just going off the top of my head here. Weight loss journey through juicing. Through juicing. I'm gonna change that color so it can be a little different. Put it at a blue. And then the last thing you want to add to this before we fill everything in, kind of play with the centering, is add when you're going to be uploading. And you want to make sure, while I'm doing this, you want to make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're getting any value out of this. And you want to make sure that you also turn on the bell notification, because as I stated in the beginning of this video, that this video part of this series is just pretty much going to be focusing in on the channel art. I have more videos that's going to follow up with it. It's going to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel for monetization and how to get your brand watermark, your YouTube channels. I have more series that's going to be coming out underneath this. This is going to be a part of my YouTube channel 2019 series. So make sure that you have that bell notification on, because I'm going to have more stuff rolling out throughout the coming weeks in December. New videos every Thursday. And to keep with the flow of the color, let's put it at white. Just like that. I just want to make sure everything is good, center, not too spacey. And what I'm going to do is to fill that in, you're going to click on elements and just going to grab a full square or wherever you may have this that you would like to use, but more so likely it's going to be a square because it is a square. And I'm going to change the background color, and I'm just going to pretty much fill it in. Fill it in. Once I fill it in, you're going to hit position. You're going to move it back until you see everything pop up. Probably put this font a little more bigger, just to fill it in and play with it. And then you're going to hit download. You can change this name so you can know what it is. Probably have something saved already like this, I'm not sure, but once you have the channel name, make sure you save it as a JPG and hit download. And while it's preparing the download, all right, once it downloads, it'll let you know that it successfully has downloaded. You're gonna come back over to your YouTube channel and you're gonna hit select the photo from your computer. You're pretty much going to click the picture that you want, hit OK, and it's going to show you exactly how it's going to look on the desktop, how it's going to look on the TV, and how it's going to look on the mobile. And you can adjust the crop however you would like to. And then you hit select, and as it uploads and it saves, there you have it, your channel art for your YouTube channel. So with that being said, I'm glad that you stuck around to the end of this video. And I'm glad if you got value out of this video, let me know about liking this video. And also let me know what other tools have you heard of for making your channel art. Have you heard of Canva? I heard of PixArt? Just let me know about it in the comments down below which one you decide. And I just realized that's a R and not a T. That is so funny. And just moving for the sake of this video to make it nice and short and sweet, but it's okay. Accidents happens. But make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your takeaway is. What tool are you going to be using to create your channel art? I heard of Canva, I heard of PixArt, but I just love Canva because I get a more variety and more feel. And with that being said, thank you for watching.